Hey guys, and welcome to that video about how to fix that black screen error in OBS. It is very easy to fix. Some people have the problem if they open OBS. I do it also now. Since they want to record the screen or a game, and then you just see that black screen. So it is easy to fix. You go on Windows button, on Settings. Then you go on System, Screen, and then you scroll a bit down and Graphic Settings. And now you see Set option, where you can set up the GPU planning of the hardware and the graphic settings. And that is the option what we need. In your case, I think if you not have set it up, so you not see OBS here. So you just click here on search, and then you go in your program folder, OBS Studios, and bin, then 64-bit or 32 based on what you have installed, and you choose the X data of OBS, and you press the button and it is here. So if you have it here, you can go on option. Now here in my case, I have a laptop, so I see two graphic cards, my lower graphic card and my good graphic cards, NVIDIA. So, and that is a problem mostly. So you just need to choose energy mode. So I choose my lower graphic card with that option, and I save it. And now if I open OBS again, so you see I can see my screen again and I can record my screen. It's very easy and it is fixed. But I also must say the problem is now I can record my screen without problems. But if I want to record a game like Fortnite or something, then I will see again a black screen. Yeah, then I need to go again in the SAM option and need to choose another one. So I choose again Windows Can choice. Because if I choose that, then I can record games. If I choose that, I can record screen. It is a bit stupid, but in my case it is like that. Maybe on your case, if you choose one of it, it will be not like that and boost will work, but in my case I must all times change it. It's a bit annoying, but yeah, whatever. So only important is you know now how to fix it. So yeah, and just for case it doesn't work on you, then you can maybe try that you go in the NVIDIA option and set up OBS there, and you go back to the default option. It means global, or you set up there's a graphic card on OBS. It can be also helpful. Yeah. So yeah, I really hope it's help you guys, and it will fix your error. On the most people it should work like that. And yeah, then see you next time, and bye.